Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
Let's check in with Ivan. We always tell people to have a hurricane preparation box or a section in a closet. Maybe
Absolutely.
Put some money in there, too.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And they're going to need in Louisiana, I tell you, the next couple of days here with Francine. Going to be a hurricane and perhaps even a major hurricane for them there. We'll talk about that in the full tropical update. But we've got our own weather here. Showers and storms, nothing severe, but a few that have cooled us off a little bit, at least from this heat that we've been dealing with today. Just one leftover shower there in Weston. Things have quieted down to Cooper City, down through Davie, and we're still looking at this cluster of showers. We've lost a few of the lightning strikes. You can probably still hear the thunder there from the hammocks and Country Walk. This was slowly trying to migrate to the east, and you can see it's kind of put a stop. The brakes right there along Chrome Avenue, and these cells typically do that when we don't have much of a storm motion, and that's going to be the key as well this week. Remember that strong east wind we had last week that pushed everything west? Not going to be with us, so we're going to continue for the rest of today overdone here on the Next Weather rain tracker, but we are going to see plenty of showers and storms. In fact, several inches of accumulation by the end of the week and heading into the upcoming weekend. Still feels like 104. We reached 106 there in Miami. We hit 109 in Pembroke Pines earlier, and it's not that far away from that number. 106 is what it feels like. So still looking at the heat advisory, it continues till 6 o'clock. We're going to get to 50 this week as far as how many we've had so far this summer, and then through 7 o'clock for the Florida Keys. Boundary to the north, a lot of moisture here, and it's tropical, so the thunderstorms, once they do develop, they'll be able to be efficient rainmakers here with this unsettled pattern that is going to continue through the end of the week. There we go on Tuesday with more showers and storms beginning to pop up through the afternoon, and the coverage will be similar. We're talking 50%, and then even a little bit higher as we hit through the middle and latter part of the week. So through Saturday, good chunk of the week, there you see us anywhere from 1 to as much as 3 inches, depending on some of those storms. If they kind of stall out over one area, they can put down some heavy downpours. Tropics, of course, we have Francine. This will be a hurricane. It's still a tropical storm. 65-mile-an-hour winds. You get to 74. You got a hurricane. No question about that becoming the system becoming a hurricane. It's very well organized now compared to the last 12 hours or so, and you can see that depicted in the change from the cone. If you were watching us during our noon o'clock news show with Lissette there, 100-mile-an-hour wind, so it approaches there by Wednesday evening with storm surge, of course, and everything comes with a hurricane landfall, storm surge, the rainfall, and the wind damage potential. So Francine, and then we've got a couple of other systems. These will never, I think, be an impact for land masses here. Pretty good, solid agreement that this is going to be moving. The one ahead of it goes away, and then the secondary one takes over. But you see the blue here? That is upper-level winds that are going to kind of draw this up to the north. There we are on September 19th. So after Francine, I think we'll be quieting down again. Low rip current risk for tomorrow. The rain chances are going to go this way with coverage at around 40 to 50%. I think we'll about leave it there heading into the rest of the week, including the second home game here coming up with the Bills on Thursday with highs in lower 90s through the weekend.
Thank you, Ivan.